Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today we'll do comparison between Cursor AI and Windsurf Editor AI. So we'll know about best AI editor tools. So guys, Cursor is AI code editor and you can through this software change your predicting to your next edit, and you can edit your codes and you can get answer from code base, and you can refer to file or docs to use this model. Just one click you can write this define codes, and you can write codes using instructions, updated classes on function with simple prompts. As you can see here guys, you can just write your code with simple instructions, and you can build software faster and familiar. The best way to code with AI, you can warranty, intelligence, fields, family, privacy option. You have this option. This is the features guys, and this is pricing. This pricing as you can see here, and this is the features of these tools. AI agent, you can find context, run commands, loop on errors. Windsurf editor guys, it is a combined deep code base understanding with advanced tools and real-time awareness of your actions, and too powerful, and you can collaborative flow, the most powerful way to code with AI. You can generate AI codes guys with simple task and simple instructions. This is the pricing guys, and you have enterprise options, resources, product. You have this plugin and self plugin from here, and you can build as you. This is the plugin, and you can just guys, as I scroll down, you can deeply deploy apps from here. You can building up through this dashboard on the website. As you can see here, the pricing, as you can see, this is the pricing. It started from 0, and this is started from free 0 also. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on over.